What's the best life insurance in Canada? Term, whole life, universal? That one that your cousin the other day said is the best thing ever? Well, today I'm going to give you the real answer, the one the industry really should tell you, but usually doesn't. Hey, I'm Trevor Wright, and I help families and business owners understand insurance in a simple, real talk way. No pressure, no jargon. This is the first video in our Life Insurance Basics series, and we're kicking things off with the question everybody asks. What is the best life insurance in Canada? Let's break this down so that you really never have to ask that again. So here's the truth. There is no universal best life insurance. It's like asking, what's the best car? Well, are you hauling kids, drag racing, parallel parking once a year because it stresses you out? Best really does depend on your goals. But what is possible is helping you find the life insurance that's going to fit your situation best, your timeline, and your budget. So let's look at the types in plain English. So really there are two categories of life insurance in Canada. Number one, there's term life insurance, and number two, permanent life insurance. Everything else is just a variation of these. So term life insurance is the simple, affordable one. Think of term as renting. You pick how long you want the protection, 10, 20, 30 years or so. If you pass away in that time frame, your family gets a tax-free payout. It's usually the most affordable option. Most Canadians, especially young families and homeowners, choose them. Now, number two is permanent life insurance, the lifetime coverage option. Now, permanent insurance is kind of like owning. It lasts your whole life, and some permanent policies also build cash value, almost like a savings component inside the policy. Permanent is great for long-term estate planning, covering taxes, business buy-sells, or if you want coverage really that never expires. So here's how I answer this in real life clients. The best life insurance is the one that, one, financially protects the people who rely on you, two, fits your budget comfortably, three, covers the right time period, and four, you can actually qualify for. And that's it. If you're a young parent with kids and a mortgage, term is usually the best choice. If you're looking to leave a legacy or cover estate taxes later in life, well, permanent might be the best choice. If you own a business, well, perhaps a mix of term and permanent could be the best solution. See the pattern? There's no magic product. It's just the best match for what you need. Now, what's the biggest mistake that I see? Buying based on price alone. Now remember, cheap doesn't always mean right. If your coverage ends too early, if the amount's too small, or if your premiums jump just because you picked a renewing term, you saved nothing and you created a problem for the future you. The goal is to find the balance between cost and actual protection. And here are the main things that determine the cost of life insurance in Canada. Age, well, the younger you are, the cheaper it is. Health, the healthier you are, the easier it is to approve. And term length, the longer terms cost more. Now, coverage amount, more coverage, higher premium. Smoking status, like smokers pay significantly more. There's really no surprises there, no mystery. And my job is simple. I match the right type of life insurance to your real life situation. We look at your family, your mortgage, your income, your goals, and your budget. And then we compare options from different Canadian insurers to see what fits best. No pressure, no sales tricks. So the next time someone asks, what's the best life insurance in Canada? You can smile and say, the one that protects my family the right way. Now, if you'd like help figuring out what that looks like for you, you can grab a quick quote at www.isellifeinsurance.ca. It's free, takes about a minute, and gives you a starting point. And if this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment, and say, what would you like to have me cover the next time in the series? So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.